Hey, what's up you guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the butterfly strawberries. So all you're going to need is a butterfly box. This one I got it at Dollar Tree. It was $1. And I got this color, the red one, but I have other colors. And then you're going to need 4 strawberries. So they can be like a little butterfly wings. And you're going to need some pink or whatever colors you choose, like for the base. And you're also going to be needing some white and black chocolate in a piping bag to make those like details on the strawberry. Let's get started. So these strawberries, they look bad because I was already gonna throw them away, but I was like, oh, let me use them for like a tutorial so they won't go to waste. So you wanna get your strawberry. Also, it helps if you get like 2 bigger strawberries and then 2 smaller strawberries. So as you can see here, I have these 2 bigger ones and then these 2 smaller ones. So the bigger ones are gonna go at the top and then the smaller ones are gonna go at the bottom, like this. So you're gonna get your strawberry. You're gonna dip it in your chocolate and you're gonna shake off the excess. And then you're gonna place it down. And you wanna kinda do this quick because you need your strawberries to be wet while you do this so they can attach together. So you grab your other strawberry, you dip it, and you shake it off. And then you attach them at the tip. So make sure they're touching on the tip like that. Sorry about that. Okay, so then you want to get your other strawberry. And you also want to dip it. Attach to the tip. And then your last one. And the leaves, you're also gonna take off, but we're gonna take those off later on. Right now, I'm just using them so I can get a better grip while dipping them. But once they're dry, you can take them off so it can look more like a butterfly. So yeah, you attach the bottom, and then right now, if you need some fixing, then you can fix it just move it around a little bit, but be careful. So now we're gonna let those dry. So while those dry, I'm gonna go heat up my chocolate, and I'll be right back. So now I'm just gonna take my black chocolate and then do a little like body for the butterfly right here in the middle. Yeah, you just wanna fill in the middle gaps. Just like that. So that's gonna be the butterfly body. You can kind of like use this as a reference. So you see like the butterfly body. So then from there, you're going to create the wings. Like that. The other wing. And then the other wing. And then the other wing. So like that. And then for these lines, you're gonna make this part thicker. The line, you're gonna make it thicker. So yeah, just wanna go back in and do a thicker line. Okay, kind of stuck there, but don't worry. We're gonna fix that in a little bit. It's not as smooth as I would like it, but so now you're gonna do like a smaller wing inside, like this, on only the bottom 2. Okay, and then for the top, you're just gonna do a line like this. And then this is why it's okay that I messed over here, because now you're just gonna do lines coming from the top to the bottom, to the line, like this. Now for these, I'm gonna do a line going up with that, and then a line going up. Of course, there's different designs you can do for your butterfly. Like you can do a similar design to this. And you're just gonna do also some lines. Come from here. So now you're gonna get your whites and you're gonna add the white dots on the butterfly itself. And you can also even use like sprinkles, like white dot sprinkles at the top one. Side, I'm also just gonna add like little white dots. You just decorate your box. I put in crinkle paper, but you can put nothing in, or you can put crinkle paper like me, tissue paper, anything you want, candy if you want. Yeah, and then you just put your little strawberries in there. Oh, also take out the leaves at this time, just so it can look a little bit more prettier. And yeah, also another thing that I just remembered I didn't do, you can get the leaves and put them where the top of the head would be, so it can look like little ears of the butterfly. And yeah, and then it can look all cute. And that is it. So if you liked the video, please like the video, and then if you have any questions, comment down below and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.